Good morning, traders. This is Perry Wilkie with StartupTrading.com. It is 8:45 a.m. Eastern Time on Thursday, September 10th, 2020. So I'm just going to do, all right, just checking my sound. So as we look back, really the last few days, we had that ramp up that only lasted like 6-7 days, right? We come back down. It's been 4 or 5 days now. We're kind of still flirting around with this orangish box is the all-time high area that was made in February, then that we broke back above in late August. So we're really just retesting that area of the chart. And then as we come down here, right, as we look at the extreme reads for today, we can see that, we could go down all the way to 32.17.5. I don't think that's really on the table, or up to 34.53.50. We're likely to stall, short of there, but we'll see. And really that the top of the, between R3 and R4, you can just see the potential resistance on the chart right there. So getting above there, we could end up flashing up to 34.82. I just don't know if today's going to be the day that we get something, but right around 34.82. If that prints today, you just need to exit with both hands. You don't need to short it, but just exit. But you're more likely to stall for the day up in here. And if we get up there early, right, we'll probably fade back down, would be my guess. So as we're looking at all the indexes, and so when I give you guys the updated 8 grid today, they'll have the floor trader levels on here. As soon as I get off this video, I'll send you an updated one in there for today for the 4 grid. But what we're looking at is we just had the ECB come out. We had a little bit of overnight down action, nothing seriously like, right? If we look at these dotted green lines, they were the overnight lows. So above yesterday's low, right around value area low, above yesterday's low, above yesterday's low, get the sequence. So now we're having the Nasdaq already pop above yesterday's high. We got the Russell testing above value area high, making a new overnight high, as well as the Nasdaq is. And then the ES, the overnight high is right around this point of control, which is 34.1175, and we'll see what happens. So really, I'm going to use the point of control as really a point of control for this session. So I think staying above that gives us that, to go up here on the charts, basically between 1 and 3 up here. And we'll see, where we get to. But basically, this is the top end. And we do have some serious resistance. Single prints up here at 34.93.75. I'll edit this so you can see it, but these are on the charts for everyone. So right around 34.93 is the bottom of the single prints. That should be first test resistance. That is up there away from today's action. So if we get up there, that should stall the markets out. This is going to be a quick video today because I think it's going to be an easy read. So basically, we're just seeing if we can just hold up. And I think we're probably going to print and hold up in these upper ranges. We might get a little bit of a late day fade, but I'll be out of the markets by then, and I'll reanalyze tomorrow morning. So really just go with above or below value area. You get 3 of the 4 above value area high. It should be a go with for a trend for all the markets. And as we look basically real quick at what I've got for the Nasdaq. So as I look at the Nasdaq, we're popping over this 11,430, and really I have a little bit of resistance. I didn't even mark it on the chart because it's marked on the others right at yesterday's highs. We're starting to go through that already. I don't have any significant resistance until 11,580. I expect very close, if not that print of 11,580 to go today. We'll see what kind of resistance it is. We only had basically a 2-day draw there before, and then above that goes up to 11,727. I'll peek at the Russell real quick. It's probably the most next interesting market. So we're getting up to this 1534.30, right? This is a major zone for the Russell. So it's going to need to decide, and it might take some time deciding, right? It might wash back and forth, but it needs to decide where to close today, above or below that level. And I think that'll be interesting going forward. I think you can sit out of the Russell today if you really want to, just do day trading only in those swings. If we do pop above that, there's really nothing except for the bottom of this print here that really lines up with 1541.30, 1542, right in that area. You can look at it on your chart, but the bottom of that consolidation will be really what you're looking for to see if it can pop that and get up to the 1551.10s. So again, just looking back at all the indexes, making this a simple read for the day. Don't fight the tape. The tape is bullish. It's been bullish. Don't let this 8-day pop up and then flop back down to retest a major level that we are still above. Dissuade you. You really need to get back below the charts at 3271.5 before the bulls lose their edge in the slightest of instances. I hope this helps. You guys have a great day, and I will talk to you